I guess everyone forgot about me. No one's texting or calling me. Not a single message. I know. We used to get together to play Monster High when we were kids. It was awesome. Hello. Let's throw a Monster High party like the old days. They're here. Hi. Let the Halloween party begin. A special drink just for our party. A pumpkin cooler. Yummy. Do you hear this music? Let's see where it's coming from.
Oh.
I'm scared.
Oh.
Sounds scary. I think it's coming from over there. It's just Sharon. Why were we so scared? Hi, girls. Stop it, Sharon. Let's go. Coming. That music again. But we're all here. Spider, worm, lollipop, and trash from under a couch. Our potion is ready. Spirit, we summon you. Spirit, talk to us. It's not gonna work. Why would you waste a gummy bug? My tummy is rumbling. Am I a dog? A bat? I'm human again. My stomach hurts. Sweet puppy. Let me pet you. Good boy. Adele. I'll explain later. Let's order pizza. Delivery? We'd like your biggest pizza. Oh, does anyone have cash? I don't even have pockets. Who ordered a pizza? A ghost! It worked! Dig in. Let's change. Yes! Let's go through the closet. How's this jacket?
Oh.
It's amazing. That's not it yet. Woo! Woo! Nice job, girls. You promised to pay. You earned it. Thanks.
Oh.
Adele, wake up! It was just a prank! Get ready! We're summoning a spirit! Spirit, are you here? It moved! Was that you? No, it wasn't me either! It's moving! We summoned a spirit! We didn't mean to make you angry! The table's moving! Fell for it? It was a prank!
Oh.
Really? Why was the light blinking? It was Sharon!
Oops.
Hi! So, did you talk to the spirits? Your jokes suck! Don't be mad! Wealth is coming your way! Girls, it's over! He dumped me! But I still love him! Relax! We'll put a love spell on him! Throw all the stuff he left in here! A sock, the first flowers! The watch, too! And the picture! Magic, work! Love, come back! I had to. How lucky. I'm here to grab my stuff. Did you get it all? Thanks a lot. Oh no! Why? Don't worry. Let me tell you your fortune too. A hand? So scary. You can't even scare a kid with that. The prank worked. Stupid pan. Selfie time. Snake. Pillow fight! What's so funny about it? I know! I need more gummy worms! Here! Gross! That was fun! She ate it! What a scary movie! Popcorn is a must! A hand! Are you going to get popcorn? Here! I'm not sharing! It's just a fake hand! Why did you get so scared? Gross! Let's keep watching! Tea's ready! Yay! It's my special recipe! It'll be enough to go around! I love tea! And more for me! And I in a mug! I'm not drinking that! And I!
Oh.
So delicious! What? Why would you do that? Don't worry. These are gummy candies. I changed my mind. Whoa! Miss Snake loves candy. I'll tell you a secret. My crush, he's so green, drives me crazy. And this is my crush. I love him so much it's scary. What do you think about this smile? Mesmerizing. Mine is really handsome. Now I won't be able to sleep. Oh, I got mixed up. Wrong picture. There you go. Much better. Sorry, honey. They don't know anything about love. Do you remember we did each other's nails when we were kids? But now you have a UV lamp. I always fall asleep when I get my nails done. She's asleep. Girls, come here. Here are sausages and ketchup. Let's get to work. Is that a finger?
Oh.
My fingers! They're here! These are just sausages! Awesome prank! The friends had a fun night. It's bedtime. Sweet dreams, everyone! But Stacy is up to something else. Stacy? Girls, Stacy's gone! Right, what do we do? Where did Stacy go? Comment down below. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.